Happy Thursday, everyone. So today's update, I don't have a cool demo, but do just have a few items to fill you in on. So the next thing I'm working on is getting a custom authorizer set up with AWS to hit Keycloak. I'm playing with whether or not to have that inside of the VPC to have RDS connectivity or a few other options. It's kind of well known that there's issues around a Lambda in a VPC, though Amazon has been improving that over the last year. But it might be the case that we want to do that outside of that. So playing with that and getting GoKit transport through Lambda working as well. Also have access to the Sift console now, so I'm going to be starting to wire up the Sift events coming into that, and also trying to get an initial small API endpoint pushed up that can just do sort of routing through Lambda to Keycloak to not have to hit Keycloak directly from the React web application or any other clients. And just getting some basic user profile information set up and hooked in there. So I'm not going to go too deep in the user profile stuff. Mostly I just want to be able to have like a little box show up with your name, your email, maybe a picture, a few little bio facts. Because pretty quickly after that, what I want to move over to is some of the more important groundwork around metered engagement with the API. So I'm going to have to write a small microservice for that, as well as Stripe integration for memberships and subscriptions. I'm going to get that in there pretty soon. And we did get approved for production mode from Amazon. They actually went over the 10K increase. It turns out that their default is 50,000, so we can send 50,000 emails a day. So that's pretty good. If we have even 1% of that per day in signups, I'll be very, very happy. So it's interesting updates there, I hope. Yeah, so tomorrow there'll be another stand-up, and then Saturday will be a deeper dive, just talking about a variety of topics. Not related to eGloo the platform, but eGloo the company. I do have a client that I'm doing some work for to finish them out. Yeah, that's probably going to be the rest of my day-to-day. So the updates I gave you about GoKit and the authorizer and all that, that's sort of like I'm going to try to get some time in there over the next 24 to 48 hours, but that might end up getting pushed to this weekend to do, because I really want to try to do right by this client and get them over the line. People are enjoying the limited traffic in Los Angeles. Yeah, so I'm going to be focused on that. And just on one personal note, one of my mentors 15 years ago, and actually we were good friends for since then. He just passed away a few years ago. But he once told me, he said, you only have so many all-nighters in your lifetime. It's a finite supply, and you can run out of them. And I've definitely learned that this week. I really pushed heavy and hard to get a few things over the line, in the first half of this week. And yeah, last night and this morning I was feeling it. So one of my sort of not tech, but definitely related to this startup, one of the things I'm going to really be focusing on is trying to maintain a better balance between recovery and self-care. And still producing, a lot of great work. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully, probably not tomorrow's stand-up, but maybe Monday. You're going to see another really great tech demo, I hope. And yeah, keep in touch, keep watching, and see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.